I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will evaluate few expressions using the change of base formula. So normally, as you know, in the calculator we have log function which is here where the base is 10. We also have ln which is log to the base e. To use a calculator we need base of 10, and therefore we do have a change of base formula with which you can change to any base. Here we have written this formula in the form so that you change it to the base 10. So change of base formula here is log a of b is equals to log 10 of b divided by log 10 of a. That means log of b with base 10 divided by log of a to the base 10, right? Now the question here is, provide example for the following logarithmic expressions and then calculate their value rounded to 4 decimal places, correct? So we have three different kinds of statements here. This is just for you to understand logarithmic expressions. So it is log to the base 5 with negative value. That means you have to write a logarithmic expression like log a of b so that you get a negative value where the base is 5. So it is kind of like this. Log to the base of 5 with negative value. So how can you get negative value? What should I write here? This is what you need to write, okay? The next one is log to the base 6 with positive value. Okay, that means log to the base 6 with positive value. And the last one is log to the base 7 with unit value. Means log to the base 7 of what will give me 1. That is what we mean, right? So you can pause the video, write your answers, and then look into my suggestions. So, well, we need negative value. That means this number should be less than 1. So we could write any value here. It could be 0.5, 0.2, right? So I'll prefer to write 0.2. Since 1 over 5 is 0.2, okay? It'll be easy for us to calculate. Now here, log to the base 6 with a positive value. If we want a positive value here, well, we are using the calculator, so we could write some value like 10, okay? So it has to be more than 1. It will get a positive value. For getting unit value, unit means just 1, its base and the number should be same, right? Then we get the value as 1, correct? Now let us use our calculator and also apply the formula to find these answers. So when I say log to the base 5 of 0.2, I could use calculator with log base 10 and write this as log of 0.2 divided by log of 5, correct? So let's calculate what do we get. So we do log of 0.2 divided by log of 5, and it gives us minus 1. So we get minus 1. So that's a negative value, correct? Now for this we should do log of 10 divided by log of 6. Round it to 4 decimal places. Let me write 4 decimal places. Well, that's tricky, right? Okay. So let's do log of 10 divided by log of 6. Log of 10 divided by log of 6. So it is equal to 1.28509. So which I could round to 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4 as 1.2851. Do you see that? Now in a test it is very important when I say 4, let me just show you this part. 4 decimal places, you have to write like this, else lose marks, right? Now log 7 of 7 is, let's do it. So log 7 divided by log, okay, it's obvious, right? But still, log 7 divided by log 7 is equal to 1. Let's write this as 1.40, right? Since we use the calculator and we have to round our answer to 4 decimal places. So that's it, correct? I hope you get fairly good idea that when the number here is less than 1 but greater than 0, we are expecting a negative answer, right? If this number is more than 1, then positive answer. If the number is same as the base, then we're getting 1 as our result. That gives a very good idea, and with that I think you're very well set to evaluate logarithmic expressions. Thank you and all the best.